now I'm gonna show you my styling today, and then I have to run to get that vaccine. It's a pity I don't have some fake arm to get that vaccine, but okay. I really think those boots fit perfectly to jeans or to skirts. I mean, I am more fan of skirts, but today is too cold and I have decided to wear my jeans. But like I said, I won't be able to go in my boots because, yeah, I'm too scared to fall down. And I just hope that everything's gonna be okay and I will be able to use the rest of the lockdown in peace. And to rest from our clients and job and work and everything without panic attacks, without thinking about, I don't know, vaccines. So, love you guys.